Model, 63-plate Nissan NV200 1.5 dCi low mileage spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,802. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90 bhp, E5A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, gearbox is stuck in third gear, will need the gearbox repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.